Hi guys, we are gonna go over how to take a Thanksgiving pre-order now that our new order forms came in. So instead of using the normal special order form, we're gonna be using these cards. It's printed on a heavier card stock, that way they stay nicer while we sit on them for a while. So we're gonna go over that. Next to every phone, there's one of these sheets that goes over the process of taking the order. So if you forget any of this information, it is all on here, but we will go over it while looking at the cards right now. So to start off with, if it's in person, if it's on the phone, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a name and a phone number for the customer. Ask them to spell their name, that way you know you've spelled it correctly so we don't have any mishaps, and then ask for a phone number that they can be reached at. Confirm that spelling with them. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
And then you're gonna get their pickup date, what time they want to pick it up that day between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. And then you're gonna fill out the day you entered that order and your initials, that way we can hold y'all accountable for this stuff. Once you've confirmed that, you can move on to actually taking their order. So on the front, this is all pies, nothing else but pies. So we have our regular baked pies over here. On the lines next to the flavor, you're gonna write the number of pies they want. That's a quantity, so you don't wanna just put a check mark. So if this person wants 2 Dutch apple, 1 pecan, 1 pumpkin. Over here we've got cream pies as an option, and then no sugar added below that. After you've gotten all their pies, confirm that, read it back to them to make sure you've got the information correct. And then you're gonna write the total number of pies that they have ordered on this line down in the corner. Now, once you've gotten their pie orders, we wanna do some suggestive selling here. Can we get you any more baked goods for your Thanksgiving dinner? Now on the back, we have everything else. So we've got all the breads, large and smalls, cakes, cheesecakes and carrot cakes, large and small, and then we're gonna start doing cherry topping on the cheesecakes here, so that's an option as well. We've got cookies, so we have, your standard sugar, we have the iced pumpkin. We're gonna do 2 different kinds of cookie trays. So one's a gourmet and one's just a variety cookie tray. So then it gives you the options and the flavors of cookies that are on those trays. You can order no bakes if they wanna do a dozen, or if they just want a specific set number, you would write that number here. And then we've got brownies. We're gonna do an 8x8 pan. So plain or with walnuts. We've got pumpkin rolls, large and small. Dinner rolls, we'll have white and wheat rolls. And then if they want anything else, you're gonna write it neatly in this other section if there's anything else random. We will have stuff to sell out of the case, so that would kind of be this stuff here, but all of this is gonna be your pre-order bulk options. Now, when you get to this section, skip it. This is not for people taking orders. This is for management only. We will fill this out, so do not worry about that. Just leave it blank. Now, once you've completed the order, you want to file it in this box here. Okay, so this is specifically for Thanksgiving orders. We have all of your files and all of the times. So we've got Tuesday pickup, and we've got Wednesday pickup, and then we've got a folder.
Oh,
bless you,
sorry
Kate.
guys.
Bless you, Katie. So we've got a Tuesday and a Wednesday file, and then we've got folders for every hour for that day. So you're gonna place it into the folder for the hour on that day. So for instance, this one is gonna be Wednesday, it's the 21st, this is gonna be the 20th and the 21st. And you wanna put that in the 10 a.m. folder, which would be here. Okay, now once you have filled one of these out correctly, you've confirmed with the customer that all the information is correct, do not touch it once it's in this file. We don't want anybody pulling anything out of there except for management. That way we make sure nothing gets lost, nothing gets screwed up. This is just to hold ourselves accountable. So once it's in here, don't take it out. If, for instance, somebody needs to change their order, no.
We'll do a separate one.
Do a separate one?
Mm-hmm. That's all on that one. That's taking an order. These will be at both phones. Stacks of them will be there. There's extra on the shelf in the banker's office for more. Okay.